Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show how you achieve long nail eyelashes and pink lips in just 3 days using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Step 1. How to grow eyelashes. To start off, for those attractive eyelashes, combine equal parts Vaseline and castor oil. Mix them. Apply this mixture to your eyelashes every night before bed using a clean mascara brush or a cotton bud. The castor oil strengthens and promotes lash growth, while Vaseline keeps them moisturized. Step 2. Long nails. Next, for beautiful long nails, take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into your cuticles and nails. Do this every day for a few minutes. The castor oil improves circulation around the nails, nourishing them and promoting growth for the roots. Step 3. Pink lip. Mix a small amount of Vaseline with beetroot juice. Apply this mixture to your lips before bedtime. Beetroot juice naturally adds a rosy tint, while Vaseline keeps your lips soft and hydrated. And you can also apply this moisture on your cheeks. And there you have it. Follow these simple steps every day for 3 days and you will notice a visible difference in your nails, eyelashes and lips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and stay safe.